This video is available in English and Hindi. Namaskar and welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. With the festival season just around the corner, it is time to prepare for the festivities in an organized and stress-free manner. In this video, we will explore a range of essential tips to help you ensure your home is ready for upcoming festivals and your celebrations go off without a hitch. Let's get started on these pre-festival preparations. Diwali, a festival synonymous with beautiful decorations. Before rushing to the market for new decor items, candles and diyas, take a moment to check your existing stock. After each festival, my practice is to carefully pack everything into cartons, label them and store them in the loft. This year, before making any purchases, I took everything out to assess what items I will use. I discovered that I still have plenty of candles from last year, eliminating the need to buy more. I also found a surplus of garlands, battery-operated LED candles and fairy lights. By taking stock of what you have, you can plan your shopping wisely, avoid unnecessary purchases, and save both money and storage space. Many of us tend to buy new furnishings like bed sheets, curtains, table runners, and cushion covers for Diwali. However, these fancy Diwali furnishings often end up unused after festivals are over and cluttering our storage spaces. To avoid this, take a moment before festivals to examine your existing curtains, bed sheets, and cushions. Think creatively about how you can reuse them. Consider DIY projects like adding lace or patchwork to old cushion covers to give them a fresh look. A bit of frill or lace can add a festive touch. Or combining old curtains with contrasting colors for new appearance. Reimagine your existing furnishings before buying any new items. Festivals call for beautiful festive attire and matching jewelry. It is crucial to plan ahead by checking your clothes and selecting suitable accessories. Set aside outfits for various occasions and ensure they are clean and well maintained. If you are planning to buy new dresses or saris, make your purchases early so that you have enough time to get matching blouses stitched. Keep in mind that during festivals, tailor shops may have longer delivery times. If needed, take the time to get clothes dry cleaned, repaired, or altered in advance. By planning ahead, you will ensure that you won't face last-minute wardrobe dilemmas during celebrations and can streamline your getting ready routine. Annual deep cleaning before Diwali is a common practice in India, but without proper planning, it can be overwhelming. To make it manageable, create a cleaning schedule that prioritizes specific tasks over several days. By starting well in advance, you can clean your entire home without exhausting yourself. Tackle one area each day alongside your regular cleaning routine. Don't forget to deep clean your vacuum cleaner to ensure it is ready for the big cleaning mission and won't get clogged during the process. If you plan to buy specific cleaning tools or supplies, purchase them in advance and have your cleaning checklist and toolkit ready. Compile a comprehensive list of items you will need. including groceries, gifts, household items, and ritual supplies. Shop for these well in advance to avoid last-minute rushes. If you're considering purchasing new clothing or appliances, keep them in your wish list, as online shopping portals often have Diwali sales. This proactive approach helps with planning and savings. Plan your festival menu in advance and decide on the dishes you will prepare. Create a cooking schedule to allocate enough time for each dish. Additionally, have a backup menu of simple and quick to cook dishes in case unexpected guests or friends drop by. Pre-planning your menu allows for efficient cooking and minimizes last-minute stress. If you would like to see a dedicated video on festival food preparation, let me know in the comments and I will consider creating one. During festivals, we often bring out our finest crockery and silverware to impress guests. However, the reality is that many of these beautiful pieces remain untouched because we forget to clean and wash them beforehand, and we end up using our regular crockery. To avoid this, take out your elegant dinner sets and tea sets in advance, wash them and store them conveniently. This ensures that you will use these special pieces during your celebrations, adding an extra touch of elegance to your festivities. As the festival season commences, numerous rituals are performed in households. Ensure you have sufficient stock of items used in your home temple, such as incense sticks, incense cones, ghee bati, oil, cotton wicks, and camphor for smooth and convenient rituals. If you use separate utensils during festivals for pujas, take them out well in advance, wash them and store them conveniently to streamline your rituals. I will be making a separate video on home temple cleaning and organization soon, so please stay tuned. The exchange of gifts is a cherished tradition during Diwali. To avoid last-minute hurdles, consider purchasing gifts well in advance. Before buying new gifts, check your stock from the previous year. You might have some extra gifts stored away. Create a designated gift storage space equipped with gift wrapping paper, best wishes cards, ribbons, scotch tape, and scissors. This setup will make your gift wrapping experience smoother and more enjoyable. Amidst all these preparations, don't forget to take care of yourself. Make time for rest and relaxation to fully enjoy the festival season. Treat yourself to homemade ubitan, a relaxing hair massage, or a visit to the parlor for some grooming. While it is important to enjoy the festivities to the fullest, avoid overexerting yourself as it can lead to fatigue and diminish the joy of your well-planned celebrations. Remember, your happiness contributes to the happiness of those around you. As we conclude our guide to festival preparations, Remember that the key to a successful celebration lies in planning and organization. By following these tips, you can make the most of the festival season, ensuring that you are in the best spirits to enjoy and spread the joy of the festivals. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a wonderful and stress-free festive season. Bye-bye.